Drop it.
Hello everyone and welcome to a new video on your channel CryptoMonde. Aujourd'hui, je m'excuse pour la transaction entre le français et l'anglais. Alors, I'm sorry for the transaction between French and English because mainly we are doing videos in French in our channel, but since we have noticed that a lot of people, a lot of English visitors have started using our channel, we are doing this kind of videos in English. So today we're going to talk about a new project called Karashi. It's actually the next generation all-in-one platform, truly, not just a title, and we are going to see why in this video. So as you can see, this is their logo. It's a Q. They say here, Karashi empowers the first decentralized all-in-one platform focused on privacy chat, decentralized exchange, IDO launchpad, blockchain interface, multi-crypto wallet, and airdrops. So as you can conclude, it's a platform that contains everything. You can say that it's like Binance. If you know Binance, you have the exchange, you have the IDO launchpad, you have a lot of things going on in that platform. So the pre-sale has started. As you can see, the pre-sale allocation is 28 million KWA, which is the symbol of the crypto coin that is used in this project. The price is now $0.018, which is the cheapest that this coin can be, and we're gonna see why. You can join the pre-sale by clicking here. This will make you automatically go to this link. Then you have to, of course, register so you can create your account and then buy and join the pre-sale. So here you have some links. You have the same link by Karashi. You have read the white paper. Of course, white paper is a very important document talking about giving details about the project, the vision, the mission, their decisions in the future, and it will give you a clearer vision of your investments if you are interested in investing in this project. So of course we're gonna just take a small look on the platform, then we're going to see the application on Google Play. I'm gonna show you how it works in your Google Play or Android cell phone. So now guys, you can see here the links to the social media platforms. You have here Reddit, you have Bitcoin Talk, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, which is really interesting to follow if you are interested in investing in this project. So here you have sold tokens in the pre-sale. They already reached 13.7% in the pre-sale. Here is a video that explains how to send and receive cryptocurrency and how the application generally works. Here you have some links to more information about the coin, some explaining. I'll leave the links in the description box so you can use it, guys. Here's the application. We're gonna see that in action. So you can get it on Google Play. Here you can see the IDO launchpad and more details that is very important to see. That's why we're gonna leave the link. We're not going to enter into the details, guys, because it will make the video boring and long, and that's not something we want to do. Now let's move on and see the application. Before that, let's see Quarashi ICO. As you can see, the price in the pre-sale is 0.018, which, as I said, the cheapest. After that, the price is going up to 0.04 and up in the stage 2 of the ICO, stage 3 also up, then it will be 0.08 and the dates will be announced soon. So you can register, as we said, register here also, but in Quarashi, a lot of links to do your registration. So here's the allocation and the distribution of the coin. I hope you guys really be interested in the details of any project you decide to invest to. So now, guys, let's move on and take a look in the application. So guys, as you can see, if you click on the link present in the platform, the official platform, you'll be drawn to here. You click on install, then you wait for the installation. Of course, we're gonna wait and we're gonna do a transaction, so it will give us directly into the opening part. Now, as you can see, guys, I clicked on the application and now it's opening. You click on create new wallet. Once you do that, you click on continue. After you click on continue, there will be some words that you should keep in a safe place. There they are. Of course, this wallet is not going to be used for any personal issues. It's just for to show you guys how to open a wallet in this application. So this is how it works. Once you copy the words in a safe place, you keep them in a safe place so you can use them in another time to authenticate to your account, to your wallet. You click on continue and it will directly leave you into the home page of the application. Of course, it's really simple to use. It's just like Trust Wallet. If you have Trust Wallet, it's the same functionalities. As you can see, there is wallet, there is exchange, there is buy and sell. It's really easy to use, and you can really trade just using this application. A lot of coins have made partnership with this coin, or we can say this coin has made a lot of partnerships with other coins, so it's really usable and practical. So guys, now let's go back to the official platform so we can talk about it more. So one more thing that I have to say, guys, about this project is that as I already said, they have so much partnerships. They have made so much partnerships, and you can pay them with Ethereum, Bitcoin, Tether, USDT, or MasterCard and Visa, which is really interesting. I mean, a new project to be able to do this, all this job, all these properties in the start is something really special, and I think that this project has a very successful future. So I guess I have to recommend, guys, this is the first project that I recommend buying their coin. It's just my opinion. Do not take it as an investment advice. So this is all about today's video, guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel if you're new, and of course give us your opinion in the comment section. Do you think that this project have a future or the opposite, and we will meet in the next video.
Drop it.